Hey guys, Megan here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone 12 ringer volume getting low on incoming calls. To begin with, we are going to go to the Settings app on our phone. Once we're in Settings, we are going to go to Sound and Haptics. Now we can adjust the ringer volume by sliding the slider under Ringer and Alerts. If we slide it all the way to the left, it turns the phone volume all the way down. And if we slide it to the right, it turns the phone volume all the way up. So I'm going to slide mine to the right. And there you go. We have now fixed the iPhone 12 ringer volume getting low on incoming calls. The other option that you may want to do is the change with buttons. If you slide that toggle on, then you can adjust your ringer volume with the side buttons on your iPhone, and then you don't have to come into settings every single time. So that is it for this video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions about what I've done, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.